So friends, we are next video start. So what is a task loader? So I'm just showing here. This is a task loader. Why working here and why using in feature these computer systems here. So what is a task loader? So task loader is one type of you can fix your timing duration with one of a task and you are working with your computer as you know your employee. So simple user your computer home using in work here. So one type of you take backup is one type of task means you can select your task as a time duration. So you can take action, you can take backup with your computer files and folders. So it is a one type fix with your time and take action backup here for folder data and other system. Task loaders always work with these selected your tasks and second is a time. So particular you complete your time. So task loader automatically start here these any actions you take backup you take anything program start automatically particular exit one type of. So task loaders always working automatically work and not need you take manually actions for manually working and your any data working your systems here. You send email one to another friends and employees. So task is one type of task loader, timing duration automatically send email. So this is in facilities to provide this in future here. Okay, task loader. So what is a task loader? You can see here. So task scheduler means you select your tasks with your time and you can task your anything. So you can see here task scheduler. So I'm give example your alarm. So alarm use means your task and with time. So this is a task scheduler and alarm type this time alarm time this time showing your tasks here. So how can we start your time and you can manage here. So first understand these windows here. So you can create your task with timing duration here. So first just I'm showing you how can we create tasks and how many types. So just you can see the this type windows here and this is all of different uh, tasks available in this task scheduler and you can manage your tasks, you can stop your tasks, you can remove your tasks and create a new different your software automatically open with the timing and you can create your tasks with different your options and different work here. You can send your email with the timing duration just like I'm giving example 2 p.m. Automatically send your your email ID and different type email. Okay, so first I'm just talking about this type uh, menu here. Okay, so you can see file, click on file on different types options available in these windows here and you can see action. What is action views? So action is a different type. You can connect another computer means your computer to connect other computer, but I will discuss some video after. So create basic tags, create tags, import tags, and display all running tasks, and enable all task history. So first, this is a what is a options. So this is a give same option sound in action, this action pane here. Okay, so you can see task scheduler, and this is a left panes. This is a left menu here, and this is center. Inside you can see different tasks inside, different more options. So Microsoft, and click on Windows here, and different all of available tasks with already create some tasks already start by your by default your operating systems here you can see, but we are create only manual tab, and you can see main center area. So I'm click on here, any computer, any your software create by already, you can see window backup. So window backup work with only with your timing durations, and the second you can take backup manually, but timing duration with this work as task scheduler type. Okay, so this reason task scheduler action very important from this timing duration. So two is a very important thing in this task scheduler. First, what do you work here, and second, what is the time. Okay, so first you can see I'm just delete here. I'm already create some files and automatically create open. Some we are create only basic create tags. Click on here, you can see first let's understand what is these windows here. So create an in general options you name give. So I'm give your my name SSVT type name, and locations you can see main home folders here, and this my author means my this user name. You can add your locations, files, and systems here, but by default you can home directory inside in user. So inside click on Windows partition, and click user, and you can select your user inside this home directory, and you can add description about your tags. So I'm just create simple tags first. Okay, and security options means this is a give security for your tags, and you can see when running the tags use the following user accounts anything. So change, you can change your groups, you can change your user. So I'm just these tags work this user only. Okay, sky name, this PC name. Okay, but you want to change, you can change here advanced, click on here and click on find now. Okay, and this is a list of user. Okay, so you maybe you create your user, so you can see here my already sky name. Okay, so sky name is my user already created. Okay, and second is local user, you want work with these tasks. Okay, so this is my administrator account of sky, and this is my local account mid. Okay, so local account I'm not working with a local account because I want to work with main administrator account. You can work with tax builders normal. So I'm create mid local account, and you maybe not login, and you can use administrator run only when user is logged on. So you log in your this account, so this you can this option first you log it, that time you're running this, but this second is a very important because you log either you not login, so automatically this starts. Okay, and two options very important for do not store, do not password store. So not password, you maybe it's from task resources computer, so not need your your system password, and configure for what is the configure for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows Server 2012, different options available in computer operating systems here. So you can see Windows 7, Windows Server 2008 release 2, Windows Vista, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2003, Windows XP, Windows Server 2000. So Windows Vista I'm create, and this you can see Windows, and this is my task already automatically hidden or they're not hidden. So I'm just showing only, so these are my tags here. Okay, so run with highest privilege means anything you work your another computer, but these work highest privilege mean high speed and different work. Okay, trigger is very important for specify your task, you specify your condition with your what is your work task, and you can see here. So trigger is work with your create your task, and that time you specify your condition with how you set up. So we are create new, and click on here new. Okay, so we are new create, and this is a open timing duration windows here, and this is a very important understand here. Okay, so first you can see here this is a timing duration here, and you want log on and startup and idle. So login mean or login means you log in that time you can start your tasks. Okay, daily, weekly, monthly, you select you want one time means one day. Okay, and you can see your login time, your schedule on your schedule. So login time, you logging your system, and that time is this type of task start at startup means your computer start on connection to user session. You create your session, other connection start on your workstation means my local computer here. Okay, so this is a you can select begin the task. Okay, so you first select begin a task, and settings here you select your date here. Okay, so first I select my date, and 2018 here. Okay, so I'm just showing an example how can we create a task, and select your timing duration. Okay, so this is a my not specify starting time, ending time. So I want like advanced settings, you want advanced settings, so you can see daily different type settings on different options available here. So click on daily, and every 1 day, 2 days, 5 day. So you can see here in 1 week, 7 day. Okay, so you can see here. So daily, weekly, you can see weekly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You can select your different type your day. Okay, so every 1 week, every 2 days, every 5 days, you want to select. I'm select one time, but sometime you can see here. So one schedule means my schedule might take might already take create my timing. Okay, advanced settings here you can see here this advanced settings means you advance your 1 hour this task random delay. Okay, so 1 hour after this means 2848 means this work 3 hour 8 minute and 48 second after this work. So random delay means 1 hour after work here. Okay, so specify you can repeat your task means in 1 hour after again 1 hour after this work here. Okay, and you start your 1 day means your 1 hour after in 1 day after 1 hour. Okay, so 1 day your after you can start your stop task means you stop your task means 3 days 30 minute 1 minute. So this task expire means automatically delete, and you can show here. So this starting date, and this is the ending date. Maybe you expire click on here. So what is this is a starting date, and this is a ending date. Okay, so I'm just showing you my click on in my 1 hour after every day. Okay, so every day 1 hour and expire my these tasks, and but I'm not like, okay, this my creator completely tasks, and you can delete, edit anything. You create new other tasks, timing, duration. Okay, action. What is the this timing duration? This timing with this timer with you want actions here. So start program means my one every day. This type start program send email and three start display a message. Okay, so how can we take action these systems here, and how can we start this start scheduler, one type of timing duration here, and how can we start these actions, one type of in fix some time here. So I will discuss in this video part 2, tax leadership part 2. So all of video my part was here, and how can we start these systems here. So other I'm already created some videos and playlist. So watch my video. So in these tax reader, how can we start, and these some tax specific timing durations here. So I will discuss in part 2 tax reader. So click on subscribe, click on bell icon, and click on like button for my motivation. So thanks for watching my video.